Hey guys! What? Check out this cool chainsaw I found. Ow! Dude, what the hell was that? Oh, well, maybe you guys didn't like that. Here, check out this cool spoon. Check out my cool spoons. That's pretty cool. I like that. That was kind of cool. Yeah, and look at me. I'm clapping. Yeah, dude, we could like all clap. You're not special, dude. Okay, dude, fine. I'm gonna kick you then. Ow! Why would you do that? You big jerk! Oh! Wait. Do that stuff again, but this time turn it into like a cool little boogie, a cool little groove. Okay. Like that. Yeah. Now get that chainsaw out and do like some like bass notes or something, but watch the volume. Okay. Like that? Yeah. Now bring that beat back in and then keep doing that chainsaw stuff, and I think you got something here. Okay. Yeah. 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 Boom! Yeah. All right. Now take this. What the hell is this? It's a cool instrument that lets you play any instrument to your heart's content. Just go wild, okay? 3, 2, 1. How was that? That needs a bit of work, I feel like. But I don't know, dude. I gotta go home. Mommy says it's dinner time, so I gotta go back home. She cooked my favorite. You wanna know what my favorite is? You know that one dish that one guy was made in Ratatouille where, he ate it and he was like, "Ugh." That's my favorite right there. That's my favorite. Yeah, Ratatouille. What? She feeds me rats? Ooh, I gotta show her a lesson about this. Ooh, Mommy, you're not gonna like this one. Why do we keep that guy in our friend group? I don't know, man, but can you continue playing that song? I was kind of liking it, actually. Oh, yeah, sure. Whoa, the chainsaw, it's malfunctioning! Whoa! Oh my god! God damn it, now I have to go find new friends. Whatever, I didn't like those schmucks anyway. Hey guys!